Are composed of three parts, namely, letter a term to define. This refers to the word or phrase that is being defined. It may be introduced by articles such as the, an, and a. Letter B, the general class to which the term belongs. When writing your definition, it is necessary to include the general class to which it belongs if there is any. Through this method, your readers will have a specific idea of the term being defined. And letter C, a distinguishing characteristic which separates the term from the other members of the same class. To introduce your differentiating characteristics, you should use relative pronouns and a dependent clause. Let us have an example of a definition and let's try to identify the term defined, general class, and distinguishing characteristic. A microphone is a piece of equipment that you speak into to make your voice louder or to record your voice or other sounds. Term defined, a microphone. General class, a piece of equipment. Distinguishing characteristic, that you speak into to make your voice louder or to record your voice or other sounds. Patterns of definition. A definition uses one of these patterns. Pattern 1, term equals class plus distinguishing characteristics. Pattern 2, class plus distinguishing characteristics equals term. Now let us discuss further. Pattern 1, term equals class plus distinguishing characteristics. Term is letter A. This is the word that has to be defined. The term to be defined is preceded by such words like is or are, is defined as, refers to, or denotes. The general class of the term defined, that is letter B, comes after those words. The general class is followed by our distinguishing characteristics, letter C. The distinguishing characteristics should be introduced by relative pronouns and a dependent clause, such as which or that, of plus the ing form of the verb, or present participle, or noun, by which, for, or the en form of the verb. or past participle. Let us have some examples of definitions following pattern 1. Freedom is the ability to do what is right. The term defined here is freedom. Equals, that is, as what I have just mentioned a while ago, your equals could be words like is or are, is defined as, refers to, or denotes. The general class is ability. And our distinguishing characteristics, to do what is right. The distinguishing characteristic is a dependent clause. A dependent clause is a clause that cannot stand alone as a complete sentence because it does not express a complete thought. This definition follows pattern 1, wherein term is equal to class plus distinguishing characteristics. Let's have another example. Family is a group of people who are bound together by love. The term defined here is family. Is equals. The general class, a group of people. And distinguishing characteristics, who are bound together by love. The distinguishing characteristics are introduced by a relative pronoun who. The most common relative pronouns are who, whom, whose, which, and that. A relative pronoun is a word that introduces a dependent or relative clause and connects it to an independent clause. Our dependent clause, who are bound together by love, is connected to an independent clause. Family is a group of people. An independent clause is a group of words that contains a subject and verb and expresses a complete thought. The relative pronoun who is accompanied by the passive voice of the verb, are bound. The passive form of a verb is created by combining a form of the be verb with the past participle of the main verb. With passive voice, the subject is acted upon by the verb. Let us have another example. Biology is a branch of science dealing with the study of life. The term defined here, biology, is equals. The general class, branch of science, and distinguishing characteristics dealing with the study of life. The first word in your dependent clause is in the ing form, dealing. This is in the present participle. Now let's have another pattern, pattern 2, wherein class plus distinguishing characteristics equals term. Class is letter B, plus again refers to words like which or that of, verb in the ing form or noun, by which, for, plus the N or VN form of the verb, or past participle. After these words, the distinguishing characteristics follow. Letter C. The distinguishing characteristics, or equals, are preceded by words like is or are called, is or is or are known as, and then the term, letter A. Let's have some examples of definitions following this pattern. Pattern 2. The ability to do what is right is freedom. General class, ability, plus distinguishing characteristics, to do what is right, is equals, term defined, freedom. Let's have another example. A group of people who are bound together by love is called family. Class, group of people, plus distinguishing characteristics who are bound together by love, equals, is called. And the term defined, family. Let's have another example. A branch of science dealing with the study of life is biology. Class, branch of science, plus distinguishing characteristics dealing with the study of life is equals, and the term defined, biology. And that is all about the parts and patterns of definitions. Now let's have some activities. Activity 1, directions. Tell whether each sentence is a definition or not a definition. Number 1. A square is a polygon that has 4 equal sides. Number 10. Compounds are chemical substances formed by combining elements. Answer. Definition. Now let's have activity 2, directions. Read the selection in the box and fill out the chart below with the parts and patterns of each definition. Anti-life acts are measures that seek to terminate life willfully and consciously. Today, There are four generally recognized anti-life acts which bear scrutiny: abortion, euthanasia, terrorism, and capital punishment. Abortion is referred to as the termination of pregnancy before the fetus reaches 20 weeks of gestation. Euthanasia connotes the act of causing death painlessly so as to end the suffering of patients who have no chance of recovery. Meanwhile, the act of using force, violence, or threat to demoralize, intimidate, or subjugate others is known as terrorism. Lastly, capital punishment is defined as the death penalty imposed on persons found guilty of major crimes against persons and properties. Here are the answers. Now let's have activity 3, directions. Write a full definition from each given set of terms to define, generalizing the class, and distinguishing the characteristics below. Give two sentences following the patterns you have learned. For example, triangle, polygon, three sides. Answers. Pattern 1. A triangle is a polygon that has three sides. Pattern 2. A polygon that has three sides is called a triangle. Number 1. Chair, furniture, used for seating. Here are the answers. Pattern 1. A chair is a furniture used for seating. Pattern 2. A furniture that is used for seating is chair. Number 2. Haiku, a poem, composed of 17 syllables in 3 lines. Here are the answers. Pattern 1. Haiku is a poem composed of 17 syllables in 3 lines. Pattern 2. A poem composed of 17 syllables in 3 lines is haiku. Number 3. Semantics. The science deals with meaning in language. Here are the answers. Pattern 1. Semantics is the science that deals with meaning in language. Pattern 2. The science that deals with meaning in language is semantics. Number 4. Thermometer, an instrument used to measure temperature. Here are the answers. Pattern 1. Thermometer is an instrument used to measure temperature. Pattern 2. An instrument closely with description and analysis of production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. It is the study of how man's material needs are supplied or how scarce resources are utilized. These needs may include goods ranging from necessities such as home, food, and clothing to luxuries such as color TV and electric razor, and services such as medical care, transportation, and dry cleaning. Economists or specialists in economics divide much of their subjects into how goods and services are produced and how they are distributed. Number 2. Which paragraph gives the definition of economics? Letter A, 1. Letter B, 2. Letter C, 3. And letter D, none. Answer. Letter A. Number 3. Based on its definition, to what general class does economics belong? A. Earth science. B. Natural science. Letter C. Political science. Or letter D. Social science. Answer. Letter D. For numbers 4 to 6, study this definition. Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. Number 4. Which part is the term defined? A1, B2, C3. Answer. Letter A. Number 5. Which part is the class? A1, B2, C3. Answer. Letter B. Number 6. Which part is the distinguishing characteristic? Letter A1, letter B2, letter C3. Answer. Letter C. For numbers 7 to 10, form a definition out of the given phrases inside the box. Choose the best order. Number 7. 1 is defined as 2. In a manner that 3. Aggressive driving 4. Endangers persons or property 5. The operation of motor vehicle. Letter A 31245. Letter B 31524. Letter C 51324. Letter D 51243. Answer. Letter B. Number 8. 1. A square. 2. A polygon. 3. Is cold. 4. Width. 5. 4 sides. Letter A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Letter B 1, 3, 2, 5, 4. Letter C 2, 3, 1, 5, 4. Letter D 2, 4, 5, 3, 1. Answer. Letter D. Number 9. 1. Carbohydrate. 2. A compound. 3. Is. 4. Carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. 5. Composed of. Letter A. 1, 2, 3, 5, 4. Letter B. 1, 3, 2, 5, 4. Letter C. 2, 1, 3, 5, 4. Letter D. 2, 3, 5, 1, 4. Answer. Letter B. Number 10. 1. Metamorphosis. 2. A physical transformation. 3. Undergone by various animals. 4. Is cold. 5. During development after the embryonic stage. A. 1, 4, 3, 2, 5. B. 2, 3, 5, 4, 1. C. 3, 5, 2, 4, 1. D. 5, 3, 2, 4, 1. Answer. Letter B. Activity 6. Directions. Match column A, term and class, with column B, distinguishing characteristics. To form a definition, write the letter only. Here are the answers. while the active voice of the verb is uses. Activity 1 Directions. Shorten the full definitions below. Number 1. Atmosphere is a mixture of gases that surrounds the Earth. Answer. Atmosphere is a mixture of gases surrounding the Earth. Number 2. Dialysis is a medical process that is used to treat patients with kidney disease. Answer. Dialysis is a medical process used to treat patients with kidney disease. Number 3. Ultrasound is a technique that uses high-frequency sound waves for medical diagnosis. Answer. Ultrasound is a technique using high-frequency sound waves for medical diagnosis. Number 4. An antidote is a substance that counteracts the effects of a toxin. Answer. An antidote is a substance counteracting the effects of a toxin. Number 5. A probiotic is a substance that contains beneficial microorganisms. Answer. A probiotic is a substance containing beneficial microorganisms. Activity 2 Directions. The parts of each definition are mixed up. Write the definition by putting the parts in their proper places. Number 1. A friend whom we like and who likes us is someone. Answer. A friend is someone whom we like and who likes us. Number 2. Which needs to be cultivated is a special relationship, friendship. Answer. Friendship is a special relationship which needs to be cultivated. Number 3. Digestion. Of breaking down food for use of the body is the process. Answer. Digestion is the process of breaking down food for use of the body. Number 4 is a series of events, photosynthesis, in which carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen combine to form a carbohydrate. Answer. Photosynthesis is a series of events in which carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen combine to form a carbohydrate. Number 5. Where hydrogen combines with carbon and oxygen, carbon dioxide fixation is the phase of photosynthesis. Answer. Carbon dioxide fixation is the phase of photosynthesis where hydrogen combines with carbon and oxygen. Activity 3 Directions. Fill in the blanks with the letter of the correct answer. Be sure to choose one that makes the definition shortened. Number 1. Self-respect is a quality of character, blank, one's own weaknesses and strengths with dignity. A. Recognize. B. Recognized. C. Recognizing. D. Which is recognized. Answer. Letter C. Number 2. Strength of character is a trait, blank, by a person's willpower, self-restraint, and determination. Letter A. Reveal. B. Revealed. C. Which reveals. D. Revealing. Answer. Letter B. Number 3. A leader refers to one blank. Competence in management, rapport with his followers, and innate ability to adjust and act to varied situations. Letter A. Exhibiting. Letter B. Exhibited. Letter C. Exhibits. Letter D. Who exhibited. Answer. Letter A. Number 4. Anger is a negative emotion, blank a person's ability to think logically. A. Paralyze. B. Paralyzing. C. Paralyzes. D. Paralyzed. Answer. Letter B. And number 5. Courtesy is a positive trait, blank. Personal interaction, very pleasant. Letter A. That make. Letter B. That makes. Letter C. Making. Letter D. That is made. Answer. Letter C. That's all for today. See you in our next lesson. Goodbye.